In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove pages on Squarespace. First, start by signing into your Squarespace account so you land on the account dashboard. From here, click into your dashboard to see your list of sites. Choose the site you want to work on, then select Go to Website. This opens the editor for that specific site, which is where you'll make changes. On the left sidebar, click Website to expand your site's main controls. Next, choose Pages. This is the central place where every page on your site is organized. You'll see sections like Main Navigation and Not Linked. Main Navigation contains the pages that appear in your site's top menu. Not Linked holds pages that are live, but not shown in your main menu, often used for landing pages, thank you pages, or drafts you're still refining. Before you delete anything, it's helpful to confirm you're targeting the right page. Inside Pages, take a quick look through both Main Navigation and Not Linked. For example, I'll open a page called Donate under Not Linked to confirm its contents. You might also click into a Coming Soon page, your home page, or a contact page just to get familiar with where everything lives and make sure you're not removing something essential. If you open a page and want to go back to the list, use the back arrow at the top to return to the Pages panel. Once you've confirmed the page you actually want to remove, again, I'm using Donate as the example, hover over that page name in the Pages panel and click the Settings icon. This opens the Pages settings. Navigate to the General section. The General tab is where core page options live, including the page title, URL slug, and, importantly for us, the delete control. At the bottom of the General settings, click Delete Page. Squarespace will open a confirmation message so you can review what's about to happen. You'll see a clear notice that deleted pages are no longer available and will be permanently deleted in 30 days. This means the page is removed from your live site immediately, but it isn't gone forever right away. If you realize you removed the wrong page, there is a 30-day window before it's permanently purged from your account. That grace period is helpful for avoiding accidents. If you're not quite ready, click Cancel to back out with no changes. This is useful if you want to double check that you selected the correct page or if you need a moment to think through any links, forms, or campaign assets that might rely on this page. When you're confident you're deleting the right one, reopen the Pages settings, go to General, select Delete Page again, and this time choose Delete to confirm. After you confirm, Squarespace removes the page from your navigation and unpublishes it from your site. Visitors won't be able to access it, and any menu links pointing to it will disappear. If the page had been in Not Linked, it won't be available at its URL anymore. Keep in mind that search engines may still show older cached results temporarily, but the live link will no longer work. To recap the flow one more time for clarity, open your site from the account dashboard, go to Website, then Pages. Check both Main Navigation and Not Linked to locate the page you intend to remove. Click into Pages as needed to verify you've got the right one, and use the back arrow to return. When ready, open the Pages settings, go to General, choose Delete Page, review the 30-day notice, and confirm with Delete. If you change your mind midstream, Cancel lets you safely step back without making changes. And that's it. You've learned how to confidently remove pages in Squarespace while understanding the confirmation message, the 30-day safety window, and where to find everything in the Pages panel.